Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about CMOS SR latch using NOR gate. After the completion of today's session, you are able to classify logic circuits based on their temporal behavior, draw the SR latch using CMOS, and explain the operation of SR latch using CMOS. So, first we discuss about the classification of logic circuit. So, logic circuits are divided into two categories, that is combinational and sequential circuits. The combinational circuits in which output depends only on the present input, means whatever the input is given, accordingly that input we get our output. Okay, but in sequential the output depends not only on the present input but also on the past, means previous input, because it contains memory element store the previous inputs, and as per that it depends on both present input and past input or previous input. Okay, so sequential circuits are again divided into three types, that is bistable, monostable and astable. As per their behavior they are classified. Okay, so the bistable circuits have two stable state. As per the name given, bistable, bi means two, so two stable states are present in these circuits and will be in either of the state, means it operate in any state. Okay, examples of bistable circuits are memory cells, latches, flip-flops and register. Next is the monostable. As per the name, mono means one. Monostable circuits have only one stable state, and even if they are temporarily goes to the opposite state, they will return back after a fixed period of time to their stable state. So they never be in a temporary state for a long period. They are goes to this temporary state for certain time and again it return back to its single, that is stable state. Okay, then astable. Astable circuits have no stable states and oscillate between several states. Okay, astable circuits have no stable state, means no fixed states are present in these circuits. Okay, so these are the classification of logic circuits. Next is the SR latch. So here we discuss SR latch using NOR gate. Let's go to the diagram. So this one is the logic diagram. So this logic gate contains two NOR gates and here two inputs are given. For two input we have four combinations of input, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So here is the truth table 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. So first we gave this one, okay, 1 0 1 0. Okay, so when any input to NOR gate is 1, then the output of the NOR gate will be 0. We know that according to its truth table. So when the output, that is Q bar, is 0, then this Q bar is applied here as input, so 0 0 0 means 1. So for combination of 1 and 0, here at the output we get 1 0. Okay, So see here, 1 0 combination, and at the output we get 1 0, means this one is the Q, this one is the Q bar. Okay, so see here, Q is 1 and Q bar is 0. So it was Q is 1, Q bar is 0. Let's try the next combination, that is 0 1. S is 0, R is 1. So whenever the input is 1 to NOR gate, at the output we get 0. Then this 0 is applied here, so 0 0 1. So for input combination of 0 and 1, we get Q0 Q bar 1. See here, Q0 Q bar 1 means correct. Then here we apply 0 0. As we know, if at the input of the NOR gate 0 is given, then we cannot certainly assume any output for it. So it holds the previous state. Okay, means previously we find out this output, so 0 1. So 0 1. When we apply this one here, then 0 1 is 0. So when 0 0 is given, then it hold the previous state. Like this, when 1 1 is given, as per the rule that whenever 1 is given to the input of a NOR gate, at the output we get 0. Here you can see that Q is 0, Q bar is 0. So it is not possible, because Q and Q bar are complement to each other. Because of this input combination is a not allowed condition. Okay, so here 1 1 is the not allowed condition. When Q is 0, that means it is a reset condition. When Q is 1, that means it is a set condition. And when SR is 0 0, then it holds the previous state. Okay, so it is all about truth table and its logic diagram. Then let's find out the output equation. So here at the input of the NOR gate, we give two input, that is S and Q. So Q bar equal to S plus Q bar. Okay, like this. Here in this NOR gate, two inputs are R and Q bar. So at the output, Q equal to R plus Q bar whole complement. Okay, so using these equations we draw the diagram. So this one is the SR latch using CMOS. We use these two equations to draw the SR latch using CMOS diagram. So here we use only plus operation. So for plus operation, PMOS connected in parallel and PMOS connected in series and NMOS connected in parallel. Using this rule, we draw this diagram. So by drawing it step by step, you are able to understand it properly. So next we will draw the diagram using pen and paper. Okay, so let's draw the SR latch using CMOS. So for that, here we use plus operation. So in plus operation, PMOS transistors are connected in series and NMOS transistors are connected in parallel.
So the basic structure of CMOS logic is VDD. This one is the pull-up network, consists of PMOS, K numbers of inputs. Means as per the equation given, we draw the diagram like this. Here also K numbers of inputs, and this one is the pull down network, consists of NMOS transistor. Here we take the V out, and this one is the ground. So as per this structure, we draw the SR latch. So the input to the SR latch, so this one is the S plus Q. As it is a NOR gate, so complement is given. So first we draw this equation. Okay. So for NMOS, it is connected in series. Okay, 2 transistor. Then this one is the VDD. This one is the V out. Okay. Next, here the transistors are connected in parallel. And here is the ground. Here bubble is present, that means it denotes PMOS, and this one without bubble, so NMOS. Okay, so one part, the first equation is completed. Only you have to give the name, that is S, and here this one is the Q. So here, and this one is the output. In this diagram, the output is Q bar, so this one is Q bar. Okay, then the other part means the next equation you have to draw it. Similarly we draw, and the PMOS transistors are connected in series. Okay, then here we take our output, and this one is the NMOS part. Okay, so here the input is R, and this one is the, as per equation, these are Q bar. Okay, Q bar. So we connect this two. Then here the diagram is given. The Q point, or to the other input of the NOR gate, we give the output Q, and to the other input of this NOR gate we give Q bar. So in R, where R is given as input, the output is Q. So we connect it with Q, and this one is with Q bar. Okay, so the circuit is complete.
This is all about CMOS SR latch using NOR gate. Thank you.